Hello students, today I am going to start question number 3 of exercise 5.1. Now in this question we have identify which of the following pair of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So here we have pair of angles and we will have to identify whether these are complementary angles or supplementary angles. Now complementary angle means the sum of two angles will be 90 degree. Okay, sum of two angles will be 90 degree and supplementary means sum of two angles will be 180 degree. Okay. Now, in the first part we have 65 degree and 115 degree. So what you have to do, we will have to just find the sum of this and then we'll check whether we have got 90 degree or 180 degree. If we get 90 degree, then those pair of angles are complementary angles, and if we get 180 degree, then those pair of angles will be supplementary. Okay, now let's start. So at first we will find the sum of 65 degree and 115 degree. So 65 plus 115 degree, so 5, 5, 10, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, so it's 180 degree. So since the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, so this pair of angles are supplementary, so therefore they are supplementary angles. Okay. Now moving on to next part. Now in the second part we have 63 degree and 27 degree. So let us add these two angles. So 7 plus 3 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So it's 90 degree. So since we have got 90 degree, so the angles are complementary angles. So we'll write they are complementary angles. Okay. Now next part. Now in the third part we have 112 degree and 68 degree. Okay, so we'll add these two angles. So 112 plus 68. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So it's 1. So we have got 180 degree, and since the sum of angle is 180 degree, so the pair of angles are supplementary. So we'll write they are supplementary angles. Okay. Now next. Now in the fourth part we have 130 degree and 50 degree. So if we add these two, then we'll get 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 3 is 8, so 1. So here we have got 180 degree, and since the sum of two angle is 180 degree, so this is also supplementary angle. So we'll write they are supplementary angles. Now in the fifth part we have 45 degree and 45 degree, and if you find the sum of these two, we'll get 90 degree. And since we have got 90 degree, so this pair of angles are called complementary. So we'll write they are called complementary angles. Okay. Now the last part of this question. In the last part we have 80 degree and 10 degree, and if you find the sum of this, so 80 degree plus 10 degree make 90 degree. Okay, and since we have got 90 degree, so these are complementary angles. So we'll write they are complementary angles. Okay, so this was the last part of question number 3. Thank you students.